Hi and welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. This is the reading for Scorpio, for the star sign of Scorpio for the month of October 2020. So this may not resonate with each one of you out there. So feel free to see your sun, moon and rising signs. And let's start with the reading. And also please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. It will be much appreciated. Let's start with the reading. The overall energy, the past, present, future of the relationship. Let's see what is it Scorpio have to deal with this month of October. Okay. See, past, present and future. Is this a love relationship? Of course it is. The first card out is the Ace of Cups. And you have your own card in the reading. The overall energy, is the Queen of Pentacles. Your focus is towards work. Okay. Oh, lovely energies. These 3 months are going to be good. So, what I can see is there is a juggling energy here. Your partner is in 7 of Wands energy. You can always interchange the energies. You have an offer. You had an offer in the past, and you liked someone, but they are in a Two of Pentacles mode. The situation is in which way to go, kind of, and both they are defending their place, their position, and yes, they have something to defend or someone to defend. Here I can see a three-party situation which is taking a lot of your mental power, anxiety, sleepless nights because of this Two of Pentacles, the juggling energy between about this three-party situation. They are not in their right headspace, calling for death of the relationship. This relationship they are coming towards you. In the future we have the Chariot for the overall both of you combined energy. For them is the star sign and the High Priestess. You're manifesting your intuition. You intuitively know that this is a connection for you, and they are coming towards you. A lot of sleepless nights. You people are not happy without each other, not at all, and you want to work towards this relationship. You want to work towards this relationship. Death card shows there is a death and rebirth of this connection coming from a place where it was too much to take upon. It was like 7 of Wands, like protecting themselves till now, and this is your wish fulfillment, which is you are going to get. Queen of Pentacles so shows me that this connection is very happy and it's a very abundant connection, which is for, and there are two. The Chariot shows me that the movement forward, both of you are ready to move forward in this connection for the month of October, November and December. These 3 months are going to be, for most of the signs, these 3 months are very promising, and there's a lot of hope towards new relationships and new connections, and there's a very strong energy of old connections or old ties breaking off. I've seen death card in a lot of zodiacs. That death card is representing you in this Scorpio energy and your Scorpio reading, and the movement forward is a very beautiful reading here, which is telling me that you people are going to have an abundant and happy life in future, moreover at the end of the year. So let's see what is the advice from the spirits. Advice from the spirits for Scorpio. Advice for the spirits for Scorpio. Advice from Spirit for Scorpio. Okay, the advice is surrender to miracles. Even Virgo got this. Sorry, Libra got this, I think. Yes, Libra got this. Surrender to miracles. Be open to miracles occurring in your life. Feel and know that these events are real. Let go of any resistance and banish any doubt that miracles can happen. They are going to happen. This is your miracle. The star, wish fulfillment, moving forward. Things are hidden right now, the High Priestess, but these are going followed by everything is going toward this miracle. Okay guys, we'll see, take up one love oracle card, whispers of love. Let's see what is the advice for you. Okay, we have treasure your loved ones. I'll see one card here for Scorpio. Treasure your loved ones. It is important to love others deeply. So you're guided to love everyone around you. Seek the happiness from loving others, showing your affection towards others, so that you get it back. So that is what universe is advising you, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you. I'll see you in the next reading. Till then, bye bye and take care.